welcome to Cody the Car Guy. We've got a 2010 Chevy Equinox here, and we're going to be changing out the headlight bulb. Simple and easy, so let's get started. Alright, first thing you want to do is go to the side where your bulb's burned out and go to your wheel well. And look for that cover right there. Alright, first thing you want to do, you have a fastener right here. It is a T15 Torx. You want to go ahead and get that removed. Alright. Next up, all you're going to do is reach in here, twist, pull this out. Up in here is another black cap, and we're going to go ahead and get that removed. Alright, where that black cap is right there, all you're going to do is reach up, turn to the left, slide it out, just like that. Alright, and your bulb is right there. It's H11. All you're going to do is reach in, turn to the left, just slide it out of place, just like that. Alright, there's a little clip right here on the bottom. Just reach in, grab it, slide out, just like that. Alright, let's go ahead and put the new one in. It is an H11. You can change out your high beam, your low beam, or your turn signal bulb the same exact method. So the plug for your turn signal bulb is literally right straight above that. It's kind of like hidden in there, but it's there. Simple and easy to get to also. Alright, let's go ahead and get this one changed out. Alright, so simply plug in your new bulb. Do not touch your bulb. Reach right up into the hole right there. Alright, so when you put it back in, you have to play with it a little bit. Make sure you get all three of the tabs for your bulb to line up. And then all you're going to do is twist. It's just that simple. Alright, now if you got to do your turn signal, it's straight up above that. Right where you see that little bit of yellow, that is for your turn bulb. So if you have to change out your other headlight, to the left of this, where you see those little tabs, that is the cap for the other headlight. Alright, let's go ahead and get this cap back on and get this one all finished up. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and stick this right back in there. It's got a little groove it sticks in. Once you get it in the groove just like that, all you're going to do is turn it to the right and you're done. Alright, let's go ahead and get the cover back on. Cover can only go in one direction, so just simply put it up like this, turn to your right, and put your fastener back in. All you have to do is just snug it. You don't got to super tighten it. Once you're snug, you are done. So that has changed out your headlight on your Chevy Equinox. I hope that helps you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.